In this video, we are going to discuss about Sqoop incremental append. Okay, so you can see I have this MySQL and I have this database mkd, and here in mkd we have dd table, and you can see let me select start from dd. You can see these are the entries, and we need to move this table to HDFS using Sqoop. Okay, and after that we'll import some value here and we'll do the incremental. Okay, so let me start here. You can see on HDFS I have a directory mkd mixture, and first what we are going to do, we are going to import this table to HDFS. Okay, so let me type the Sqoop import command, Sqoop import -- connect. Okay, ZDBC colon MySQL. Okay, and then here quick start dot cloudera, and then the database name will be mkd. Okay, and -- username of this MySQL is root, and -- password is cloudera, and we have this we need to define the mapper one. Okay, and then here table name is dd. Okay, table is equal to dd, and the directory. Okay, so target directory is equal to mkd mixture and dd. So let me confirm Sqoop import -- connect zdbc MySQL and quick start cloudera. Mkd is a database, username root, password cloudera, and this mapper one table dd, target directory this. Okay, so let me run this one. It will take some time, we have to wait for that. Okay, it started now, and you can see the table is trying to import. Select start from dd. Okay, and you can see it's taking the by default mapper, and you can see there's some application ID generated, and the map with this job ID is generated. Okay, you can track the application ID also. So application ID is not yet generated, you can track the application ID. Here is the job ID, and here's the application ID. Okay, so we can track the yarn application status. You can check the application ID status from here also. Okay, you can fill the application ID and you can check the status, and it's still running, and you can see it will be status is running. It's trying to track from resource manager, and here let me check the job. It's still running, we have to wait. Let me check the status here. You can see it's trying to connect the resource manager. If we need to kill this job, then we need to. Okay, it's finished. You can see it's finished, map reduce job. Okay, and here you can see it's showing still running, and here it's showing finish 100%. So I don't know why it's taking time, but it's already finished. And here let me, okay, it's showing here. So let me do one thing, HDFS DFS -ls and mkd mixture, okay, and dd. it's still showing running, but here it's showing finish. So let me do this list here on HDFS. It will take time again. It should not take time, but it's taking time. Let me wait for this. You can see this this is the file. Okay, so if I need to read this HDFS, let me do clear, and you can see HDFS DFS -cat. Okay, let me read this file. You can see this is the file, and if we read this file, then it will come. You can see this table data. Okay, this table data you can see. You can see this is the data. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to do something, some insert here. We are going to do some insert into DD. Okay, so here ID, name, salary, and values we're going to insert, like ID will be 9. Okay, and name will be something like MKT, and salary will be 9,000. And let me insert this one, and another record I'm going to insert mixture. Okay, and ID will be 10. Okay, and another record I need to insert, that is the min2. And okay, so select star from DD. You can see earlier we have 8 record and now we have 11. Okay, so here we can see already we have inserted this 8 record. Okay, and we need to insert this one, this updated record also, 8 and 9, 10, 11. So how we can do that? Okay, so in sqoop command, let me clear this one and let me check the previous command. You can see earlier we did sqoop import connect ZDBC MySQL quick start Cloudera MKD username password Cloudera and table DD. And here what we need to do, we need to use one parameter, incremental. What type of incremental? Append. Okay, and incremental append, and columns, we need to mention one thing, that is column ID. Okay, check column, okay, hyphen check column. Which column we need to check? ID. And last value, what is the last value? Last value is 8. So let me complete this one. Incremental is append. Okay, check column. So the column name, we need to check this one, ID. Okay, we have checked this one. And last value, you can see last value was 8. Last value was 8, and we need to put that one. Okay, so incremental append check column ID last value 8. So let me run this one. It's running, you can see, and it will generate upper band and lower band. Okay, so what Sqoop is doing, Sqoop is uh, executing this command from here. Okay, you can see it will generate a upper band and lower band. Okay, a lower bound is 8 and upper bound is 11. Okay, so you can see lower bound is 8 and upper bound is 11. Okay, so it's trying to read, and this is job ID is here, application ID. Okay, so you can check the application ID from here, but before that we can see here we have only one file. So you can see only one part file is there, and another part file will be generated. Okay, so let me do a run here. I think this job is already completed, and here the HDFS command, we can see there is another part file and which will contain 10 11 19 11. Okay, it's taking time, and you can see only one file is generated since the job is not clear. So let us wait for the job completion. You can see MapReduce job is started, and we can check the yarn from here also. Okay, yarn application also. So I think job is completed. Let me run once more time if we can get the part 2 file here. So it's taking time and we have to wait. It's still running, and it's 100% mapper job is completed and reducer is okay. Job is successfully completed, and here you can see this is a part file too. Okay, if we run this command, if we do cat HDFS DFS -cat, and if we run this one, you can see the rest of the value will be there. Okay, you'll get 8 9 10. Okay, 8 9 10 you can see, and what we can do a cat here and star. You can see whole table is there. Okay, this is the updated value and this is the earlier value, and if we do this, then you can see whole table up to 11 records will come out here. So guys, this is how you can see whole table is here, and there's a part file 000 and 0001. Okay, so guys, this is how you can incremental you can load the SQL file using this incremental append to HDFS. You have to put the column name here and last value, and incremental type is append. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.